Question number 8. Calculate the following. First one, undervaluation of closing stock by 10%. Closing stock was 30,000. Find out the value of closing stock. Now let's see the answer. Current value of a closing stock is given as a 30,000. This is undervalued by 10%. Therefore, actual value of a closing stock will be 90 upon 100. क्योंकि ये कम दिखाया गया है, so it is going to get deducted from the 100, that is 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. So 90 divided by 100 is equal to current value. Actual value of a closing stock is equal to current value into 100 divided by 90. So the ultimate answer will be 30,000 into 100 divided by 90, that is rupees 33,333. Second one, calculate 12.5% per annum depreciation on furniture. First one, on 2,20,000 for 1 year and on 10,000 for 6 months. Answer, rate of depreciation given in the problem is 12.5%. Depreciation is equal to cost of asset into rate into period. This is the formula of calculation of depreciation. Condition first, depreciation is equal to 2,20,000 into 12.5 divided by 100 into 1, that is 1 year. So the depreciation will be 27,500. Now B1, depreciation 10,000 into 12.5 divided by 100 into 6 months, that is into 6 divided by 12. So the answer is 625,625. Third one, insurance premium paid for the year ended 1st September 2019 amounted to rupees 1,500. Calculate prepaid insurance assuming that the year ended is 31st March 2019. Answer, insurance premium for the entire year is given as 1,500. To calculate the premium for the period 1st of September 2018 to 31st of March 2019, that will be 7 months. Therefore, insurance premium is equal to 1,500 into 7 divided by 12, that is for 7 months. It comes to 875. Therefore, insurance premium for the year ended 31st of March 2019 will be rupees 875. Next one, find out gross profit or a gross loss when the purchases is given as 30,000, sale 15,000, carriage inward 2,400, opening stock 10,000, purchase return 1,000 and clothing stock 36,000. Answer, trading account. आपको trading account बनाना है in a T form, that is a ledger form. Left hand side is a debit side and right hand side is credit side. Particulars, inner outer amount column on both the side. पहले हम debit side देखेंगे. On the debit side, first item will be the opening stock followed by purchases. Purchases में से purchase return minus हो जाएगा in the inner column और outer column में आएगा 29,000. To carriage inward 2,400 outer column. By sales 15,000. By closing stock 36,000. Now every posting is done. अभी आपको account balance करना है. You are supposed to balance the ledger account. In this case, credit side is heavier. Take the total of credit side, that is 51,000. Write the same amount on the debit side, 51,000. उसमें से बाकी सभी expenses आपको deduct करना है, minus करना है, that is 10,000, 29,000, 2,400 minus करने के बाद balance बचेगा, that is known as a gross profit. So in this case, there is a gross profit of 9,600. Borrowed loan from Bank of Maharashtra, rupees 2 lakh on 1st of October 2019 at the rate of 15% per annum. Calculate the interest on bank loan for the year 2019-20. Assuming that a financial year ends on 31st of March every year. Answer: loan borrowed 2 lakh rupees. Rate of interest is 15% per annum. Duration 1/10/2019 to 31st of March 2020, that is 6 months. So interest amount is equal to loan amount into rate of interest into duration. 2 lakh into 15 divided by 100, that is the rate of interest 15% per annum, into 6 divided by 12, that is 6 months. So the interest amount will be 15,000.